Imagine a world where AI agents assist us everywhere. Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang made this vision clear at GTC 2025. He emphasized that AI is at an inflection point, and the way we interact with technology is about to change dramatically. Huang introduced two groundbreaking computers, DGX Spark and DGX Station, to meet future computing demands. The DGX Spark, available now, enables developers to work on advanced AI models like DeepSeek and Meta seamlessly, whether in the cloud or data centers. Its desktop-friendly size makes it accessible for all developers. In contrast, the larger DGX Station is being developed for enterprises needing robust AI capabilities. This powerful tower-style computer boasts Nvidia's Grace Blackwell Ultra chip, optimized for heavy AI workloads. Nvidia is also focused on humanoid robots. They showcased Newton, a physics engine developed alongside Disney Research and Google DeepMind. This technology will enhance robot expressiveness and task handling, with small Disney robots expected to debut in theme parks soon. Huang highlighted the shift from traditional data centers to AI factories. As AI demands evolve, these specialized centers will optimize operations. The introduction of Omniverse Blueprint will help engineers design data centers ready for future AI workloads by predicting power and cooling needs. The future of autonomous driving also looks promising. Nvidia partnered with General Motors to integrate their AI technology into self-driving cars. This collaboration aims to revolutionize the automotive industry by enhancing AI models for vehicles and manufacturing. Lastly, Nvidia is venturing into quantum computing with a new research center in Boston. The Nvidia Accelerated Quantum Research Center will explore technologies to advance quantum computing, which Huang believes will complement AI supercomputers to solve critical global issues. In summary, Nvidia's GTC 2025 unveiled transformative technologies shaping our AI-driven future. From new computing systems to advancements in humanoid robotics, AI factories, autonomous vehicles, and quantum computing, we are witnessing the dawn of a new technological era. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting developments. Subscribe to our channel for the latest in AI and technology.